friend, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. I post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and sometimes random sorts of videos. And welcome to 12 Days of Christmas, day 4. So today I have my Ipsy unbagging for you and I'm really excited about this and stuff. And this is what this one's bag looks like. Super, super cute. We love. I'm obsessed with this. It's like basically Sherpa material, which if you know me, you know I love Sherpa. Sherpa is just so fun and I just love it. I don't know what I love about it, but I just love it in general. And I'm honestly just super excited to get right into the bag. Like I said, it's Sherpa material. This little thing had like plastic over the handle, but I really like the handle. It's almost like you could use this as like kind of a wristlet purse, which honestly I might do that. That's honestly not a bad idea, especially for like on the go. But anyways, let's just get right into the contents of the bag. So I have a few things in here, but I suppose we can just start off with the card. So I open up the bag and go on to the card. So this month's theme is home for the holidays, which I love. And it just says home for the holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock those festive playlists. Don a red lip. Indulge in what you love with who you love. It's a holiday season. It's what the holidays are all about. And of course you got the products, which I've already previewed. And then they're also introducing the Glam Bag X, which is new for 2021, so I believe. You get 7 to 8 full-size products worth $350. Not really sure pricing or anything, but that's fun. So they give you a little info on that. And by the way, the Glam Bag retails for $12 a month. And then they have 2 other levels. So they have a medium level, which is the Glam Bag Plus for $25 a month, and the Glam Bag Ultimate. I've honestly debated trying the Glam Bag Plus for like a month to see it and kind of be able to compare and stuff. I might do that. I might not. I don't know, but I'm really intrigued. But anyways, let's really get into the bag. So this month I'm going to be filming this a little bit different. I'm going to be kind of like trying on the products, but I'm going to be, since I already have my makeup on, I'm going to be trying them on and then doing overlaying clips. I thought that'd be interesting to change things up, so that's what I'm going to do. But I'm really excited about this month's bag. So the first thing I got in my bag that I'm actually going to try on how I normally would, because I can. And this is from Lasting Smile. This is the Peppermint Cream Organic Lip Balm. I got one of these, I think, in the earlier in 2020. But yeah, this is basically their Lasting Smiles Organic Lip Balm and Peppermint Cream. It retails for $5.99, so of course it's a full-size product. And it's just supposed to have, it's a lip balm that makes your lips look and taste fresh. We're here for it. It's infused with real peppermint oil with a hint of vanilla to give your lips a nice zing. Plus moisturizing coconut, shea, and cocoa oils to make your lips soft, supple, and smooth. Swipe it on alone or before you apply your favorite lip color, which I'll probably reply soon. But let's try this one out. I mean, in theory, I like this lip balm, like the other one I have. I just have such dry lips that like, I feel like these I have to keep reapplying. I definitely can feel a tingle, which peppermint does that. I don't know. I mean, I like it. I'll probably keep this for like when I do want a hydration and stuff. This would honestly be good under other things, but I don't think I don't love this, but it is nice to always have like a chapstick. And I do think this is better than a normal chapstick formula, but it's definitely not my favorite of the favorites. So then we have something I've already, that I already use and love. This is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Powder. This is what I've been using. It's an airbrush finish pressed powder and I really, really like it. The one I have has like pretty good pan on it. So I'm excited to get into this one, but basically it's just a powder that you can use on your under eyes, face, that kind of stuff. And it does like airbrush and it just looks nice. It has like a plastic film over it, but I'll probably just end up using mine. But this is basically, like I said, an airbrush type powder. It suggests using with a fluffy brush and focusing on your shiny spots. This is a deluxe sample and it retails for $30. So that's fun, and I really do like this, so always getting extras of things you already know and you love is always amazing. Then I got an eye cream, which I actually am really happy about this because I like need an eye cream and I don't have one currently, but this is from Pure Release. This is their Blue Lotus 401 I Adore Serum. It's supposed to hydrate, intensely firms and brightens and decreases puffiness, which I definitely need this in my life and stuff. And I'm really excited about this. And the eye creams are always good. And I definitely want to like add this back into my routine, but it's supposed to just be a go-to eye cream. It's supposed to be infused with Blue Lotus extract, a potent antioxidant, anti-formulated benefits to prevent calm skin, plus marine plant extracts and peptides that help hydrate, brighten, and smooth, and it gently pat serum around eye only or layered with your favorite eye cream. So you can use this with others, but I'll probably just use this by itself. And this is a deluxe sample, retails for $48. And eye creams, honestly, even the baby samples, last a long time. Then I have an eyeshadow from Violet Voss, which I've heard about Violet Voss, but I've never actually used Violet Voss stuff, or mainly her eyeshadows. I think she might have other things besides eyeshadows, but I've only heard about the eyeshadows. If I can get it out of the box. I always hate these because I always have to end up ripping them a lot. But this is the Violet Voss eyeshadow in Pretty in Pink, which I'm super intrigued about. Ooh, that is a really pretty shade. See, online, it did not look like that. That is really, really pretty. So I'm gonna swatch it, but of course you'll see me. Ooh, I'm really into that. It's super pretty. It almost gives me rose gold vibes, which we know I love. But yeah, it's super pretty pinky rose gold shade. I think it'll be very neutral shade for every day. And it's just super pretty, and I'm really, really excited to play around with this one. And it looks beautiful. We love. I'm super excited to play around with that. And yeah, we love that. So now this part of the Glam bag is empty. So I actually got a bonus item this month because I redeemed like sample points. I actually did it like last month, but it was too late by the time my bag shipped. But I got these limited, so my last sample is the limited edition Max from the Cream Shop. I actually picked this because the samples this month were not like great. I just didn't really care for the ones that were offered. So I got two, and these are like holiday themed, which I'm really excited about. I said they're from the Cream Shop, and one of them is a snowman story. So it has hyaluronic acid, glycerin, JJ mineral water, and it's supposed to be the most hydrating essence sheet mask. So I'm really excited for that. It looks super nice. Then I got the Dear Dairy Collagen Berry Plumping Moisturizing Essence Sheet Mask. And these are both like Korean face things, which makes sense. Like sheet masks originated from Korea, and Korean beauty hacks are always like the OGs, I feel like. So I'm really excited to try these. I'll definitely be trying one of these tonight, and you'll see it like in the overlaying clip. But I'm really excited about these, and I can't wait to see like how hydrating these are. I love me some hydration. And then lastly, I redeemed points, and I got this Hanalehi Lip Clear Treatment, which I'm super excited about. My lips get so dry, so I'm really excited to use this. I'll definitely test it out tonight, and you'll see it in an overlaying clip, but I'm really excited about this. I just love lip treatments, and if this is good, I'll definitely buy the full size. I've used like the Bite one, but I'm definitely looking for something different. I honestly would prefer something that isn't like a squeeze tube like this, but I'm really excited to try this out, and it was good to get like a little sample perk. I'm definitely like saving my points up to get something full size, so we're working on that. But yeah, that was my Ipsy bag for December. I think for having like not great sample choice items, that I got a pretty solid bag. Like so far, I mean, I know I haven't tried everything out. I'm really liking the lip balm so far. I mean, it probably won't be my favorite lip treatment, but I think I'm really excited about it. I already know I like this. The shadow's a pretty color. I love sheet masks, so I'll be excited about that. And I'm sure the eye cream will be great. Yeah, I'll definitely like update you on my thoughts, probably maybe an Instagram post, or maybe I'll like share it on stories, so be sure to follow me everywhere or something. Everywhere, of course. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bags down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.